Imagine your body as a factory making tiny packages of genetic instructions. Meiosis is the special assembly line that creates reproductive cells, each with half the usual DNA, ready to combine and form new life. Inside the parent cell, DNA first makes copies of itself, forming X-shaped chromosomes. These copies stick together in pairs like twins holding hands, so they can be safely moved and shared later. Next, similar chromosomes from each parent line up and attach side by side. They carefully swap small matching pieces like trading puzzle segments, increasing variety in the future offspring. The cell prepares to divide. Paired chromosomes are tugged toward opposite sides, pulled by thin strands. The cell stretches, like taffy being gently pulled apart, getting ready to split in two. The cell pinches in the middle and separates into two new cells. Each new cell holds a mix of chromosomes, not identical copies, like two different shuffled decks of genetic cards. Without pausing, each of these two cells divides again. This time, the twin copies of every chromosome are pulled apart, so each piece goes to a different side, further cutting the DNA number in half. At the end, 4 tiny reproductive cells appear. Each carries a unique set of genetic instructions, like 4 different recipes, ready to join with another cell and start building a new organism. Meiosis explains why siblings can look related yet different. By mixing and having DNA before fertilization, this process fuels diversity in living things and helps populations adapt and survive.